I hope you're doing well. It's 5 a.m. in the morning and we're on our way to Nairobi. I have a horrible cold. It's freezing cold. I'm literally shivering on the bike. But it's all about the adventure life. We left home at 3:30 a.m. in the morning. 3 a.m. We departed at 3:30 a.m. in the morning. Had a shot of kahawa and now we've reached Musata. We're just fueling up. It's shit cold. It's ridiculously cold. I'm freezing. My fingers are frozen. I feel like I'm about to die. Been about 6 months. It's a surprise for my family. They don't know I'm coming, so let's make it happen. Mila. And we've been rained on. I'm wet all the way down to my knickers and my socks. We're having some coffee, some chapati, while I freeze to death. There's chapati. Touchdown Nairobi, let's say hi to my father. It's been a crazy day, but alhamdulillah we made it to Nairobi safe and sound. We've just checked into the Airbnb. I'll give you a quick room tour. My god, it was raining so much on the way. We got wet. It was freezing cold. We had minor issues with the bike, some oil leakages and stuff that took up almost 4 hours of our time. Supposed to arrive in Nairobi by, let's say, 1 p.m. for lunch, but we ended up coming here at 7 p.m. Very cute studio room in Nairobi that is bloody affordable. So starting off from the entrance, it's literally as mini as it could get. This is the bathroom. A very basic cute bathroom, and then you step out and there is like a mini kitchenette with a cooker, a fridge, and here is the bedroom. Basically it's just like a studio apartment and it's pretty decent and nice. They've got a storage spot here, lounge area basically with a small couch and a center table and a closet. And they also have a TV, microwave, fridge, a working space if you need one. I just need a quick hot shower and then I need to sleep because I've been awake from 3 a.m. in the morning and it's almost 10 p.m. right now. And I'm bloody tired. I have a flu, a bunch of collabs to do tomorrow, so I'm so excited for that. I'll see you guys in the morning. Hi guys, it's day 1 and we are going to explore Kenya's first Robot Café for breakfast. I'm going to take you guys with me. Let's explore the futuristic cafe of Kenya together. I'm so excited. I want to see how those robots serve or take orders, if they do at all. Let's go. Hello. Yeah. This Robot Cafe is so fascinating. It's such a big move in technology. They didn't take our orders, the servers took our orders, but they did say that our food is gonna come with the robot, so I'm so excited to see how it works. And then you kind of press an exit button and oh, here she is. Oh, there goes our food. It's massive. Fruits. Breakfast croissant. Tomatoes, cheese, mushrooms, lots of salad.
Yesterday.
Bike with creme brulee. Thanks. I like